We are pleased to show you the 2018 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, child safety locks, cargo area light, retained accessory power, overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.